Alright, let's design a castle out of simple shapes. So first I'm going to make my ground. The castle has somewhere to sit. First I'm going to make a rectangle. And another one. This one might be a square. I think it's still a rectangle. And let's put one more over here. Now, on the top of these rectangles, we're going to put little squares. You're going to do that all the way across until you fill up the top of these rectangles. Okay, now we're going to put another rectangle, comes out of this one. And another one over here too. Now we're going to put a triangle on the top of these two top rectangles. And a little triangle on the very top for a flag. Let's put some details. Put a door, so I'm going to put a curve, like an upside down U. And then however many you want squares for windows. We're going to make a path on the ground from the door. So on this side of the door, make a line. And then on this side of the door, make another line, but this one comes this way. Alright, now we're making some bumps over here and here to show that there are trees in the background. They don't have to be perfect trees, we're just making bumps to look like trees and bushes. I left this spot blank so we could add a dragon. We're going to try to make the dragon out of simple shapes so it won't be too hard. We're going to make an oval for its head, so it's a little oval. And then a big oval for its body. Now we'll connect the head oval to the bottom oval to make a neck. Now I'm going to give him some little horns and one eye and a zigzag for a mouth. Now, for his wings, we're going to put a big, like an L, but it's upside down. So we'll go L. Okay, then we're going to put backwards C's, bump, bump, until we get to his body. So you're going to go bump, bump, bump. Stop when you get to his body. And on the back, I'm going to give him a tail, and then the last thing will be the legs. Tail. Okay, so then for his legs, we'll make a rectangle and put a zigzag foot on the end. All right, here is our dragon castle picture.